Hey traders, Gavin McMaster here from Options Trading IQ, and today I'm going to share with you a bullish butterfly idea on ANET. Just a quick reminder that everything discussed is for educational purposes only, is general in nature, and does not take into account your financial circumstances. So firstly, if we look at the chart, we can see it's in a really nice uptrend here. It's above the 21-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day moving average, and those are all trending upwards, which is great. We've also just worked off overbought conditions here on RSI. The accumulation distribution line is looking strong, as is the money flow index. So generally all looking pretty good. Highly rated at bar chart, highly rated at IBD, which is great. Earnings are on November 7th. So the idea with the trade here is that we think we're going to get a bit of a pop, and I reckon it could get up to about the 440 level post earnings. So what we're looking at here is the payoff graph for the trade idea. Basically, it's a bullish butterfly or a directional butterfly with a price target of 440. So what we're doing is we're buying one of the 420 calls, selling two of the 440 calls, and buying one of the 460 calls. That's going to cost about $230 odd. That's our maximum loss. And that's going to occur below a price of 420 or above a price of 460. Then we get this large profit zone in between about 422 and 457 with a max profit of around 1800. So really nice potential for this trade if the stock does get up and settle around that 440 level after earnings. If we look at that in percentage terms, we're looking for sort of a 4% to a 12, 13% move higher, which I think is very possible over earnings. And we've got a nice wide profit zone here around that range for pretty low risk and a pretty high potential reward. So I think this one could do okay. I actually wrote about this one for IBD, which will be coming out today. So make sure you're checking out my daily article there over at Investors Business Daily. Just from the homepage here, you can go here, option of the day, or under research and options. And these are available to non-paying members as well. So basically an article every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right, best of luck with your trading. Good luck if you're trading ANET. If you've got any different trade ideas, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day.